A while ago, remote control helicopters were really popular among kids, but they used to be a little expensive. There was a concept of making planes from paper and flying them, but nobody could ever imagine making a helicopter from paper. But today we'll teach you how you can make a flying helicopter from paper by following just few steps. So watch the complete video. How to make a paper helicopter at home. Today we will learn a simple paper helicopter and understand the flying mechanism. Procedure. Take a scale and pen to mark the measurements for cutting. Draw a rectangle with a scale whose width is 9 cm and length is 21 cm. Cut a piece of cardboard to the desired size. It should be a rectangle approximately 3.5 inches, which is 9 cm wide, and 8.26 inches, which is 21 cm long. Fold the paper in half lengthwise. Now fold the paper in half widthwise. These folds will help to mark the lines on center point, which will make it easier to cut with scissors. Now cut it into half lengthwise about 1 inch before the center line. After this, put 2 cuts on each width side of the paper about 1 inch below the center line. This will give a structure of its base. Now fold the base inwards towards the center line. After this, fold the wings in opposite directions to give a complete shape to the helicopter wings. And lastly, staple the base to add some weight to it. Push about 5 staple pins, 3 on the lower side and 2 on the top side of the base. Your paper helicopter is ready. Now Daniel will go on the bridge and will test this helicopter if it flies or not. The height of the bridge is 23 feet. Daniel is holding the helicopter from its wings so that its wings remains open while flying. Now he is about to drop the helicopter in 3, 2, 1. Now let's see from Daniel's perspective. Try making this paper helicopter by yourself and let us know in the comment section down below if it worked or not.